A railway train of 200 meter long. See, this is a train. Length of the train. This is 200 meter long. Alright. Enters the platform. This is a platform. Length of the platform is around exactly 90 meter. Now once it enter when t is equal to 0, then after leaving the platform, the train goes like this. Length of the train. This is the length of the platform. Then by the time when it leaves what is the total distance covered? Total distance covered is what? Length of the platform, length of the train. That is total distance is equal to length of the platform and length of the train. This is the total distance covered. Therefore, what is the speed? Speed or velocity? Velocity is given by 36 km per hour. 36. What is the conversion factor? 5 by 18 meter per second. That means 2 times it goes 10. Therefore, velocity or speed of the train is 10 meter per second. Therefore, velocity is equal to distance by time is equal to 10. Distance is what? Length of the platform, length of the train divided by time taken is equal to t. Now, what time will it? In what time it will pass 90 meter long? Therefore, these both are given. Length of the platform is 90 plus length of the train 200 and t is equal to 10. Therefore, cross multiply 290 divided by 10 equal to t. I think t is equal to 29 second. In 29 second, the train will pass the platform. Train will pass the platform. Alright. We have completed this second part. We are doing it now. That means the railway train. This we have finished this lesson. Right. Next sum I will take it. 7th. A train travels 60 km per hour, crosses a lamp post in 6 seconds. This is the lamp post. The train, see, when t is equal to 0, the train is coming here, and in 6 seconds it crosses. 6 seconds it crosses the train. Right? It crosses. Therefore, velocity is equal to distance. Calculate the time taken by it. That means it takes so much time, t1 in second. What is the velocity? 60 km per hour. The speed of the train 60 km per hour. Okay. Calculate the time taken by it to cross the tunnel. Now again what? It is entering the tunnel and it will cross. It will cross that again. Right? It will cross, the train crosses the tunnel. And what is the time? See, this is the time t1. What is t2? What is the time? It crosses the tunnel. The tunnel length of the tunnel is 350 meter. Okay. Now length of the train. First we can calculate the length of the train. How to calculate the length of the train? Velocity is equal to distance, length of the train by time. Length of the train, distance by time. What is velocity? 60 km per hour. See, 60 km per hour. Length of the train, you don't know. Time is what? What is the time? 6 seconds. Now cross multiply. Length of the train is equal to 60 into 6 km per hour. Or you know what is the conversion factor? 5 by 18 The length of the train is equal to 60 into 6 into 5 by 18. 3 times. This is 2 times. Therefore, length of the train is what? 100 meter. Length of the train is 100 meter. I hope 6 6 36, yes, 5 18 18 3 is 3, okay, 6 3, right. 100 meter. Now what is this distance? What is the total distance in this case? Length of the train plus length of the tunnel. Length of the tunnel and length of the train. What is the total distance? Length of the tunnel is tunnel plus length of the train. Total distance is equal to length of this 350 plus length of the train you have taken 100. Therefore, total distance is equal to 450 meter. Distance covered. What is the time taken? T2 is the time taken by the train to cross the tunnel. T2 is what? Time taken to cross the tunnel. Here what is T1? T1 is time taken to cross the lamp post. Your time to calculate. Therefore, what is that? Velocity remains same, speed remains same. Speed is what? 60 km per hour. Therefore, 60 km per hour. This kilometers, you know what is the conversion factor? 5 by 18 is equal to total distance. This is equal to distance by time. Total distance is 450 by time T2. Now 2 0 0 get cancelled. 6 into 5, 6 into 3 is equal to 45 by T2 get cancelled. Cross multiply. T2 is equal to 45 into 3 by 5, 9, 27 seconds. We take, therefore, train takes 27 seconds to cross the tunnel. See, each problem is 5 marks. You need lot of strategy to work out this type of sum. This combination of physics as well as mathematics. Now, this particular problem which you have done already in a chapter average, this is 5 marks question which we have done. A motor car covers certain distance with certain velocity v1. What is the v1 velocity? 70 km per hour. It covers so much distance. Come back to the same position. This direction. Come back. The same distance with different velocity. v2 is equal to 60 km per hour. Find the average velocity. See, what is the average velocity? We have worked it out. 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. We have worked it out. Do you remember? You can finish it. You will get the answer. v1 is how much? 70. v2 is 60. 70 plus 60. Therefore, 2 into 70 into 60 by 130. You can easily calculate. Within short time you can calculate how much here. 2 into see, now this calculation just once at 140, here 13 14 is there. Nearly you will get how much? Suppose this also 13, 6 by 13, how much? Around 10, around 60. This is 14, no, around 64 something. Out of around 61 or 62 you will get it. Around approximately around 63 or 64 you will get it. But if you calculate properly, I have calculated once, I remember, this value comes around the textbook answer 6 1 kilometer per hour it comes. Therefore, the average velocity.